Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in the previous class, we have learned about why people travel and what are the travel in earlier times and present days, what are the differences. Now in today's class, we will learn about wheels on vehicles. How are the wheels on vehicles have been come and how we travel, how it becomes faster and easier. We will see in this topic children. Okay, we have a small story about wheels on vehicle. We have a small story. Venna's father has an idea about this. What is that idea? We will find it out. Okay children, open your reader, the block 23, evolution of transport children. Okay, we have a small story that we will read. Everyone open block 23, evolution of the transport. I told we have a small story about it. Venna's father has an idea. Long ago there lived a boy named Venna. His father had to walk long distance to hunt for animals for their meals. After walking for days, he would bring home the dead animals on his back. At times it took him days to walk back to the cave where he and Venna lived. One day, Venna saw his father bringing back the dead animals on the large flat piece of wood, which was fixed to two round tree trucks. Venna's father told him that he had seen tree trunk rolling very easily and quickly. So he fixed the tree trunks underneath the flat piece of wood. He found that it would become very easy to pull or push it. He now wanted to use these tree trunks to move from one place to another and also to carry the heavy loads easily. Yes, children, why do you think Venna's father have to walk long distance? Because there was no vehicle that time. Today we have traveling by any type of vehicle, but in olden days they don't have any vehicle. That's why he walked long way. And how would when a father travel such distance today? Because today we can walk and can't walk, we have the vehicles. What do the tree trunks remind you of? The tree trunks remind you of the, now examples I'll show you children. Now take the pencil, take the pen. You have the pen. Yes, see, it is rolling. See children, it is rolling, right? It is rolling easily. But when you take any book, now you take this book, you can roll it. See, it is rolling and it's rolling. No children. But when you have any rolling one, see, it is rolling, right? So you have, he think like that only the wood was rolling like this. So he thought we can keep any heavy load on this, so that we push it, it rolls like this. But when we push this book, it will roll. See, it is rolling. No, from here to here only it is coming. So that's why the Venna's father has thought an idea of putting the log of wood and push like this. Yes, so that it will become heavy loads to carry him easily. So when wheels were attached to the car, they would be pushed or pulled easily by the animals or people. By you're keeping anything to this, attached to this, it will become easily. Later the wheels are used to other vehicles also. Using these wheels reduce the burden of on animals and people. Now people can now travel much faster from one place to another place. Yes, children, we have learned wheels on vehicles. How a wheel comes. Any vehicle is there, children, that doesn't have the wheels. Yes, children, I have shown you in the pictures also in the reader. Yeah, yes, sledges and palanquin have no wheels. They just drag it, and the four people will carry it. That doesn't have the wheels, children. So without wheels also we can travel. That only mostly we can see in only some areas, children. Okay, this is about the topic wheels on vehicles, children. Okay, everyone open your workbook, children. Okay, everyone open your workbook. Keep it a workbook and reader ready, children. Okay, everyone open page number 143, children. We are doing travel after the wheel. When the wheel was invented, travel became easy. People could travel much faster and did not have to walk long distance. Today, almost all vehicles have wheels. Now, more people can travel together at the same time, too. See, children, this is the tree trunk placed under the slab of wood were made into wheels. See, first they have done like this, then they have kept the slab and did like this, and next they invented the wheels. So, like this, from it started to this, first they walked long distance, and they have thought to do like this, and next like this, and next. Then the wheel were invented. Okay, children. Now let's do the workbook. Yes, children, everyone open page number 38, your workbook. Okay, we are doing S3, wheels on vehicles. Write today's date, children. That is 19-1-2021. Okay, now let's do the first bit. Look at the picture and answer the questions. First one, how has the wheel changed the way we travel? See, children, see the picture, how the wheels have been changed the traveling. See, all are going by vehicles only, and it will become so faster to them to travel from one place to the other place, right? So let's write the workbook. First one, how it will become, how is the wheel change their life? We can travel faster, right? And also it is very easier by using vehicles. So we can travel faster and easier. Second question, how would the same street show in the picture have looked before the invention of the wheels? Now this is the street, children. They are traveling on vehicles. Before invention of wheels, these are after invention of wheels. You can see the wheels to the vehicles. Before invention of the wheels, how the street would be there? How you can imagine, children. How? Simple, children. The same street would look empty. People would be walking or riding on animals, right? Because no people would use vehicles, because no wheels were there. So how it would be? It would be empty, or the people were walking, or they will ride on animals. That is your answer. Let's write the answer. The same street would look empty, people would be walking or riding on animals. Yes, children, the people would travel by how they would travel? They walk by walking or riding on animals, and the street would be empty. This is your S3, children. We don't have S4 in this. We have only S3. So that we've completed 23rd block workbook, children. Okay. Mark the 8th question as your third question. Okay. Early humans used rafts and boats to cross water bodies. Today we also have ships. Why did you need ships when we have boats and rafts? Why we can see, children. We need ships to travel long distance across oceans. Ships are faster than boats and rafts. Many people can travel together on ships at the same time. Ships can also carry a lot of heavy goods. Heavy goods, children. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, children, we have the 4 points. Okay, children, complete your workbook and classwork.